Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add a link, location and invitation card on Canva. So guys, for example, I have this card and I want to add a link location, for example here. What you have to do guys, just delete this one if you want to delete and choose your link, your location on Google Map, for example, this place. And for example, choose this place here, and after that what you have to do guys, for example this place, and click this one and click share option and click copy link, this example guys, and from here choose this option and click link. As you can see here guys, what you have to do, just go to this option and click link this here, from here for example, and click this link and copy this link from here, paste and click done. This is the location guys, for example. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Any question down below, comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.